scholars. In our previous video we learned how to make an English sentence, and if you look at an English sentence you will see it's a combination of words. There are lots of words in a sentence, and these words are called parts of speech. When they are using in a sentence or speech, they are called parts of speech, and there are different kinds of parts of speech. If you look into this sentence, you can see Robin wants to be a businessman. So here Robin is a noun, want is a verb, to is a preposition, be is a verb, is a determiners, and businessman is a noun. So you see they are all parts of speech. If I talk about the types of parts of speech, there are 9 types of parts of speech. Yes, 9. Now when I said 9, some of you may got confused or may think that Sabbir is mistaken. It's 8 types. Okay, let me tell you, no, I am not wrong, and neither do you. Because traditionally we have known that parts of speech is 8 types, but in updated grammar parts of speech is said to be 9 types, and well, some people say it's 10 types, but we are going with the 9 types, and they are noun, pronoun, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, preposition, conjunction, determiners, and interjections. These are the 9 types of parts of speech, and in our next videos we are going to learn the more detail about these parts of speech, every parts of speech, noun, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, everything. So next time whenever you see a sentence, you can tell which word is which parts of speech. So keep watching the playlist and subscribe to be a scholar. Press the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you get notified. Thanks for learning.